This tutorial guides you through adding and updating general details for your organization's directory listing on WhatsUp 24/7, ensuring your business information is accurate and complete. Now that you've created your user account and organization on WhatsUp 24/7, you can see that the only information we have is from your sign-up process. So let's fill in those details. Just a note before we begin, for security purposes, these gray areas, organization name, address, city, state, and zip, cannot be changed without contacting our support team. Click the email field to update your contact email if needed. Click the phone field to update your phone number if needed. Note that your email and phone number are required fields in your dashboard. Our system defaults to showing both, but later I will show you how to adjust settings under Preferences to display only one or the other. For organizations with geographical coordinates instead of street addresses like trailheads and some parks, you can use the latitude and longitude fields. For cases like these, you can navigate to your preferences to hide your street address from your listing. Go ahead and add a main contact person's first name. Then, last name. Your organization's contact person defaults to show on your listing, but this is another option that can be managed in Preferences. Next, let's select the website field. Fill in the website address to link your organization's online presence. If you remember, during the sign-up process, you were only allowed to select one category, but now that we are in your dashboard, you can click the Select Categories field to add more that may apply. Click the field to access the drop-down menu, or search by typing keywords. If your organization has a special certified designation, such as disabled veteran, veteran, minority, or woman-owned business, you can select those options from this drop-down menu. A special tag will display on your directory listing. If you're advertising your special business designation, you must fill in this field above with your legal company name. Once you're happy with your general information, click Update Profile to save changes. When your changes are updated, this green success message pops up at the top. And here are the preferences I mentioned earlier. Click this button to adjust profile display settings for street address and contact information. Choose whether to show or hide the address. While our default setting is to show your street address, hiding it is a good option if you are using longitude and latitude fields. Or let's say your organization is an accounting business run out of your home. That would be another acceptable reason to hide your street address. You can also decide to show or hide the contact person's information in your listing. Our default is to show. Under Contact Information, select from Show Phone Only, Email Only, or both. Our default setting is to show both, but you must have at least one way for users to contact you. Update any changes or click the Close button if you are okay with the default settings. Now you can click the View Profile button to see how your listing is coming along on the live site. This is the same information that will show on any community website plugins co-promoting your organization. In the next few videos, we will explore other areas of your dashboard where you can make updates to your directory listing, including adding a logo and gallery images, brief and detailed descriptions of your organization, hours of operation, and even social media links. You have successfully added and updated general details, but we have more videos to help you enhance your directory listing. And remember, you can always connect with our support team by sending an email to support@whatsup247.com.